Prior to the creation of TVA outage services, we would send off our stud hole plugs, cavity seal, and setting the bullet noses off to a contact vendor for decontamination and refurbishment, which was a huge cost to the TVA. Our team recognized that this could be done in-house, but the question was how to do it safely and effectively on the refuel floor. The outage services team came up with the idea of getting an off-the-shelf inflatable paint booth, which we affectionately call the bounce house. Working with the radiation protection team to validate its effectiveness, this was a good cross-functional teamwork with the team to ensure that we did not contaminate the refuel floor. This can be used industry-wide when constructing tents or structures for decontamination purposes and refurbishment of equipment by not utilizing carpenters or ragcon laborers for setup and dismantling. Utilizing a $500 paint booth that we got off Amazon, we were able to save TVA approximately $50,000. This can be used industry-wide when constructing tents or structures for decontamination purposes and refurbishment of equipment